So hello and welcome back to the Nishka Mangla YouTube channel. So today I'm going to explain the code of this very easy project from White Hat Junior called called Seven Wonders of the World, and it is a project from ADV class 55. So let's begin. So first you'll have to create a new pen on a code pen, and I have actually already completed the project. So I have already created it. And I have also done the coding. So now let me begin explaining it. So as you can see, this will be that how the website will preview. And now for the coding, let's see. Okay. So first we have to open a tag and name it as HTML. Then we don't have to close it right now. We are going to close it at the end of the code. So first HTML, then we have to type head, then title, Seven Wonders of the World, title close, and then head close. Then we are beginning a new tag over here which is known as body. Then a new tag of H1, and we are going to write Seven Wonders of the World, because H1, H2, all these type of tags, they are the tags in which display the text. So we have put it over here. Then we are opening a div tag or division tag, and then we are going to now insert an image in it. So to insert an image, you have to first type the greater than sign and then img, which stands for image in HTML coding, and then you have to type as src is equal to, and now any image which you want. Like I have actually put this image, so I'm just copying the link, and now so this is the image, so now which I have put. So now to get the image address, you have to just right click on the image and you have to click on copy image address, and this will be your image address. Okay, so now we have done this. So the width we are already setting it as 300 and the height as also 300. Then we have to close the div tag, and then we have to click div on click is equal to 1. We are defining a function over here, and then paragraph tag, which is also used to add a text but in a smaller size. We are typing Taj Mahal, as these are the seven wonders of the world. So we are typing Taj Mahal, then img. We are again putting a picture of the Taj Mahal over here, inserting a picture of the Taj Mahal over here, then width 400, height 400, div tag close. So now we are just going to continue with this whole thing the way I did of Taj Mahal. We are just going to be doing this again and again. We are only just going to be changing the image sources, the names of the seven wonders, and also and these functions, which is the on click functions. So like over here I have typed 2. So over here, I have typed 1. So over here I'll type 2, Taj Mahal, Christ the Redeemer, and then for the image it's a different link. So I'm just going to quickly name all the seven wonders of the world, as these are the new seven wonders of the world. So let me just quickly name them. So they are Taj Mahal, Christ the Redeemer, the Great Wall of China, Machu Picchu, Colosseum, Chichen Itza El Castillo, Petra, and these are them. So now when we come to the CSS coding, we are first have to open the board. Okay, I just forgot to explain one thing else in this thing. Yeah. So after it, we just have to close the body tag and the HTML tag at the end of the HTML code. Now let's come to the CSS code. I'm just going to, okay. So it's a very short code. It like only take like at maximum 2 minutes. So we just have to open a body tag. I'm also going to just like code it. Okay, yeah. So first we have to open this body tag, and then we have to put it as text align, which will tell us that where the text has to be aligned, what is going to be the text alignment. So we are just going to quickly do it. I have put it as center. Now we have now we have font size, the size of the text which we have put here. So the font size I have put it as 45 px. Px is the short form of pixels. And then font weight, it is going to tell us that how the font is going to look, like if it is going to look narrow or like 0.75, like that. So I have put the font weight to be bold, so the font is going to appear bold. So yeah, I have done it, and then you just have to close it, but I'm going to delete as I've already done it. Okay, so now comes the very interesting JavaScript code. So for this I have to have my these two windows, JavaScript and HTML window. Yeah, so let's just see. Okay, so function 1 which I defined for Taj Mahal, window.alert. So when we are going to, this function means that when I'm going to click on the picture of Taj Mahal, then this definition is going to appear. Not the picture itself, but also the space in which the whole section for Taj Mahal is. So now I have just typed the definition of Taj Mahal, and if you want to find this definition, then on Google you can just type Taj Mahal. Yeah, and as okay, you will have to type Taj Mahal monument over here, because it may also show you a hotel. Okay, so now over here you find this definition, so you can just copy and paste it. I have also done the same only, so I have done it. Now just close the function. Then function 2 which I did for Christ the Redeemer, window.alert, Christ the Redeemer. I have put the whole definition of it and then close. The same way I have done the same coding for function 3, function 4, function 5, function 6, function 7, which are there for the Great Wall of China, the Machu Picchu, the Colosseum, Chichen Itza, El Castillo and Petra respectively. So you just have to complete this, and you have to make sure that you end each function with this Colleen bracket. So now this is done. Now I'll show you how the preview will be. Okay, this is the maximum view which can be here. Okay, so it comes 7 wonders of the world. Then this collage which I found on Google only, I put that. Then Taj Mahal, you can see anywhere where I'm putting it, like if I'm doing the title, if I'm doing in the space, if I'm doing it over here on the picture, then this pops up. An embedded page at codepen.io says. It will come like this, and then the Taj Mahal, the definition which I put. Now for Christ the Redeemer, I am going to click on it, and you can see that the definition for it has popped up. Now the Great Wall of China, you can see its definition has popped up, and the same way it will come from Machu Picchu, Colosseum, then Chichen Itza, El Castillo, Petra, okay, yeah, and Petra. So this is the code for this very interesting project from White Hat Junior, which its name is 7 Wonders of the World, and it is a project of ADV class 55. So this is the code for it, and until I make a new video, bye bye and keep coding.